Hey guys, it's Skipper here, and today just going to be showing you guys what me and Ninja have been working on for the past few days. So yeah, let's get to it. This is our sugarcane farm. We're working on it to get it bigger, and yeah, that's our sugarcane farm, pretty big. This is our little penthouse for our horses, and there's a pig that wandered in here. Shouldn't be in there. And then, just last episode, we made a farm. And then we also made this dock that I just found. So, yeah. It's a nice dock. That's a creeper explosion. This is my house, the stone one, and it's pretty huge. 3 stories. Got an attic. Everything about it's cool. It's my attic. I like it. Nothing in the chest. Anything. Up here is my bedroom, and then there's this, which has some stone in it. It's cool. This doesn't have a pressure plate, so yeah. This is Ninja's house. Pretty boring.